When a court grants a motion for judgment notwithstanding the verdict, also referred to as judgment NOV, the court replaces an erroneous jury verdict with its own determination. In Simblest v. Maynard, the Second Circuit addressed the appropriate standard for evaluating these motions. Samuel Simblest, a New Hampshire resident, was in Burlington, Vermont on business. Simblest was driving on Main Street toward the intersection of Main and South Willard streets. Joseph Maynard was approaching the same intersection on South Willard. Maynard, a Burlington firefighter, was racing a pumper truck to a fire. Maynard collided with Simblest in the intersection. The accident occurred the same night that a regional power failure caused a blackout throughout New England. Simblest filed a diversity action against Maynard in Vermont. At trial, Simblest testified that the traffic light was green for him when he approached the intersection and that it went out after he'd entered it. He said he didn't see the fire engine until he was halfway through the intersection and it was 12 feet away from him. Simblest also testified that he didn't hear the fire engine's siren or see its flashing lights. Every other witness testified that the traffic light had gone out 10 to 15 minutes before the accident. Maynard testified that his siren and lights were on, and other witnesses testified to hearing and seeing them. The district court denied Maynard's motion for directed verdict, and the jury returned a verdict for Simblest. Thereafter, the district court granted Maynard's motion to set aside the verdict and to enter judgment notwithstanding the verdict in his favor. Simblest appealed to the Second Circuit.